Hey everyone, Mike here from ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, your go-to source for powerful and innovative Excel tools. Today, I'm super excited to introduce our address verification software, the perfect solution to verify mailing addresses and clean up your data fast. Imagine manually fixing thousands of addresses. Time-consuming, right? Our software does it for you instantly, saving you countless hours of tedious work. Plus, you'll reduce errors and ensure your mailing lists are reliable. This tool is built entirely in Excel. No separate software installation needed. You can cleanse, validate, and convert incomplete addresses without leaving Excel. Whether you have 10 addresses or 10,000, it works seamlessly for batch cleaning. Best of all, it formats addresses in USPS standards, which is crucial for mailing purposes and professional data handling. That's why it's such a game changer. It's fast, accurate, and incredibly easy to use, drastically cutting down the time you'd otherwise spend verifying each address manually. Using it is simple. First, download the tool using the link in the description. Then, paste your incomplete or messy addresses into the designated column. Once you click Run, the software automatically cleans and verifies each address. After the process is done, you'll see the results in two forms: a fully formatted address in a single cell and a breakdown of components like street, city, state, zip code, and country. If you need latitude and longitude for mappings or analytics, these details are available too. We've been building these tools for 16 years, and more than 7,500 customers rely on them every day. From large companies to solo entrepreneurs, everyone loves how these tools simplify their workflow while providing reliable, accurate data. Don't just take my word for it. Browse through our Google reviews to see how our clients feel about using these tools in their businesses. It's amazing how much time and effort they save with the right tools in hand. If you have questions or need help in customizing this tool, our mastermind Vinny will personally assist you. Reach out via phone, email, or live chat on our website, and you'll speak with a real person. No answering machines or automated responses. That's how committed we are to making sure you get the most out of this software. Ready to verify mailing addresses with ease and speed? Click the link in the description to download the address verification software. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, comment with any questions, and subscribe for more Excel tips and tools. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy calculating.